Hello, good evening. Today we are going to learn how we can use weights in Selenium with Python. Welcome to Africa IT. You are in an exciting short course on understanding technology. Though those who are newbie in technology, this course is for them. What courses do NIT offer? Norcrec IT offers the following courses: Graphic Design, English for Life, WordPress Web Design, Complete Web Development, Understanding Technology, Selenium with Java, and Selenium with Python. This is Task Automation Engineering. Those who want to build career in software testing industry as a software test automation engineer. And finally, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. What are you going to learn in Understanding Technology course? You are going to learn internet and its usage, social media and its impacts, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube, web languages like HTML and CSS, basic programming languages, Java and Python, and software development lifecycle, network and security, securing your personal data and information, application of tags in your life, usage in detail, and finally, 2 free bonus and surprise classes. Definitely you are going to love it. Please tell your name. Where are you from? What are you doing? What do you love to do? And why you are here with us. Let's be introduced to each other. I'm super excited to be here with you today to share my learning experience. It's me. I'm from New York, USA. I'm software developer and journalist. Love reading, writing, teaching, designing, and developing. Here to learn from you too and share some tech skills. In the first class, we are going to learn on internet, and in the second class, we are going to learn about social media. And in the third class, we are going to learn about web languages like HTML, CSS, and we will continue in the fourth class, the both languages. And we will learn here how to um, develop a complete website from scratch using HTML, and how we can uh, beautify with color, sizes, and others. And in the fifth class, we are going to start learning two complete programming languages. One is Java and another one is Python. And in the ninth class, we are going to create a profile. And finally, in the last class, we are going to be introduced with Elementor. Elementor is it is an amazing software that will help you build your website, dynamic website, and responsive as well. And you will be amazed at looking at your own work. It will be unbelievable. And you will think how I did it.